Jai Hind, myself Ekta and I welcome you all for today's presentation on importance of cleanliness and its awareness.
Life is a big fight, and health and hygiene are the best weapon to succeed in the battle of life. A healthy man can enjoy life in every way, whereas an unhealthy man lives a miserable life. He may have intelligence, merit, and wealth, but he cannot use them and reap the benefits. Clean India, Green India. Cleanliness is very important whether it is our home, workplace, or public places. Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation, gave the mantra cleanliness is godliness, and our honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji launched the Swachh Bharat mission inspired by Mahatma Gandhi ji. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan therefore has a logo that pays a tribute to Mahatma Gandhi ji. Clean India Mission, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Cleanliness and hygiene are not only for our personal belongings or our own homes, sure to keep our surroundings clean wherever we go. Clean India Mission focuses on the eradication of open defecation all over the country, and efforts have been made for the same since its commencement in 2nd October 2014. As per the statistics published by the Government of India on Swachh Bharat mission, more than 10 crore toilets have been built during the mission across the country. 36 Indian states have been declared defecation free, and hence the mission has largely improved the lifestyle of a common Indian man. Our government is doing every bit to make sure that our country becomes cleaner and more hygienic by every passing day. And as responsible citizens, it is our duty to make sure that we do our bit to help with this noble mission. Disease awareness. HIV/AIDS. HIV is a virus that targets and alters the immune system, increasing the risk and impact of other infections and diseases. Without treatment, the infection might progress to an advanced stage called AIDS. The causes of AIDS are by sharing needles, from blood transfusion, during pregnancy or delivery, or through breastfeeding, having unprotected sex. Further, the next part will be continued by Ketki.
Symptoms of HIV/AIDS are sore throat, joint pain, swollen glands, muscle pain, fever, and headache. The prevention ways are never sharing needles. Use new, clean syringes and injection equipment every time you inject. The next is protection yourself while injecting drugs. If you inject drugs, this could expose you to HIV and other viruses found in blood, such as hepatitis C. It's important not to share needles, syringes, injecting equipment such as spoons and swabs, or the actual drugs or liquids used to dilute them. Prevent mother to child transmission. An HIV positive mother can transmit HIV to her baby during pregnancy, childbirth, also called as labor and delivery, or breastfeeding. Hence, one must get tested during the initial months of pregnancy to avoid this passage onto the child. And using protection while having sex. The next is malaria. Malaria is typically transmitted through the bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito. Infected mosquitoes carry the Plasmodium parasite. When this mosquito bites you, the parasite is released into your bloodstream. The causes are bite by Anopheles mosquito and filthy surroundings, as filthy surroundings are the breeding ground for not only mosquitoes but various other types of insects that can be harmful to human health. The symptoms are shaking chills that can range from moderate to severe, high fever, profuse sweating, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, anemia, and muscle pain. Prevention ways are keeping our surroundings clean. Keeping our surrounding clean is one of the most important important way in order to prevent the breeding of mosquitoes and various other insects. Avoiding stagnant water, which is the breeding ground for mosquitoes. Hence, one must clean their fish tanks or any other objects which hold water at regular intervals. Prevention of mosquito bites and use of mosquito nets and repellents if necessary. Now, I would like to call Kalavati to further explain our topic.
Coronavirus. As we all are very well known to it, coronavirus is a kind of a common virus that causes an infection in your nose, sinuses or upper throat. The causes of coronavirus is due to close contact with the infected person or by touching the infected surface or objects. The symptoms of coronavirus are as follows: fever, coughing, shortness of breath, trouble breathing, fatigue, blood, body aches, headache, sore throat, congestion, runny nose, loss of smell or a taste, nausea and diarrhea. The prevention of coronavirus are: use a face mask, clean and disinfect your surrounding, use a sanitizer, wash your hands, keep maintaining social distance, follow good cleanliness and hygiene practice and stay home. Cholera. Cholera is an intestinal infection caused by the bacterium Vibrio cholera, which leads to painless. The water causes eating food or drinking and contaminated with feces of infected persons. Treatment: ORS therapy with intravenous fluids for severely dehydrated. Antibiotics are not necessary to treat cholera, diarrhea, nausea and vomiting. Thank you.
कुछ पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिल